Gem, football, 18703. We got 2 randoms to do. This one is for the box. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Box 32. Take that off my list first before I get distracted. Save. Good saving. And then over to here, 5 times on our teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Atlanta Falcons. Down to Vikings. Saved. Box. Oh, my foot! Shit. 32. I had a Birdie Beetle ice cream before. Then we were just all reminiscing about the Melbourne show, getting a $1 Birdie Beetle show bag. Then we found out that show bag costs $8 now, and we were crying. Anyway, Olave, dual rookie patch auto for the Saints, 9 of 50. New Orleans, 15. Talon, Pen Pals on card rookie auto green pen style Breece Hall for the Jets. New York, spot 3 Liam McKay. A big fat boy like me, Justin Jefferson, 12 of 20, 1 troy ounce of fine silver. Missed 7 games, still had 1,000 receiving yards. He's pretty special, old Jay Jetta. Vikings. It's 32, last worm gets a bird. TC. Up next, 1 of 1 patch of Najee Harris for the Steelers from Origins. That is Pittsburgh. And they are in spot 12. Marcus Foti. A black colour blast of Derrick Henry for the Titans from Obsidian. Yes, Michaela. The video will be live. I'm sure Ringer is already looking for the link for you. Tennessee. 16. Sunny. T-J-A-H. Jeez, I've blown this. Sorry, Sonny. And finally, it is nice. It is 2022 Donruss PSA 10. Josh Allen in the downtown. Downtown. Buffalo, Bills, 6, the Vidler. That is it for 18703.